In this lesson, we will go over how to enumerate content management systems, or CMS, and web application frameworks. CMS support the creation, management, distribution, and publishing of websites, making it easy for the administrator to maintain and to manage. It is also useful to provide the ability to manage structure in the site pages or contents, also the appearance of the website, and navigation. There are some very popular content management systems or CMS out there, but they also have been victims of many vulnerabilities in the past. This includes WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, and others. Now, there are 3 tools that I would like to share with you and that will help you enumerate some of these web frameworks. The first one is WP Scan or WordPress Scan, which is actually a tool that scans and enumerates sites that are running WordPress. Now, in this example, I'm showing the WP Scan, the actual output, when running it against blogs.cisco.com, which is actually a site that is running WordPress. The second tool that is very handy and lightweight is the WhatWeb tool. And WhatWeb identifies web technologies including content management systems, statistic and analysis packages, JavaScript libraries, web servers, and many others. It actually has hundreds of plugins that recognize web server versions, account IDs, email addresses, web framework modules, SQL errors, and much more. In this example, I'm using the Web Security Dojo. Here I have 3 different sites. A site called juiceshop.local on port 3008, a second site called cheese.local on port 8008, and casino.local on port 3000. First, let's run WhatWeb against the juiceshop.local website. And as you can see, actually I was able to enumerate a few things like the version of HTML, in this case HTML5, and the JavaScript framework, which in this case is Express. Now let's run the tool against the second site, cheese.local. Now you actually can see that this website is actually built on Python 2.7.12. Now let's run this again against casino.local. There you can see that the site is built potentially on top of Ruby on Rails, and that it may even have a Mongo database, and it's because I was able to see the Mongrel extension using this tool. Now the last tool that I want to show you is CMS Map. And CMS Map is a Python open source CMS scanner, and it does not come with Kali. However, you can install it very easily via their GitHub repository, as I'm showing here. You can easily run a quick scan by just invoking the CMS Map Python script. In the next lesson, we will go over web crawlers and directory brute forcing.